Hello, Naomi from Islington MG in Trowbridge. Today we have an MG HS available on a 24 registration plate. This particular model is the 1.5 SE automatic, finished in the dynamic red metallic paint. Benefiting from a rear view camera, rear sensors and built-in navigation as standard. This vehicle will come with the balance of the MG manufacturer's warranty, which is 7 years from new. This vehicle's covered, minimal mileage, just under 11,500 from new. Any questions, give us a call and we'd be happy to help. The number's 01225 753103. Thanks for watching.